Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you that how to code like a pro in HTML using Visual Code. So this is the outstanding tool I've ever seen to code in HTML. This tool's having a lot of extensions and having an inbuilt extensions which are working like helping us to code like a pro, and which saves a lot of time that I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just get started. Okay, so let's come to this HTML file. I have this code here, so don't worry, I'm going to code it again for you guys. So this much code, you can see that we have head and body. In the head, a lot of meta tags and some title. In the body we have header. In the header we have image and navigation, and in the navigation we have the unordered list with the 3 list items, and then we have a section that is cover, and in this we have a couple of items, and then lastly we have the footer. So for every website, this is the basic template. So in this we are going to cover the HTML template as well as the basic template, which is like a header, footer, and something in between, that is I'm calling as the cover section. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to clean this all. Don't worry, I will rewrite it. Yeah, so it's clear now. Now I'm going to write HTML. Now you can see that typing on HTML, it will show up you 3 options, and you may have more options. So you can go to HTML:5. That will give you this much of code. Yes, oh my god, this is awesome. So much effort that you are putting. Now it's very easy to code in HTML using this inbuilt tool. Okay, so in the body write header. I'm going to write header. In the header, when I'm saying the greater than sign, that means I'm going to add a child. So I have 2 things. One is image, and I'm to give a class. So when I write dot, that means the class, and that can be the logo. So there will be an image having a class logo, and in the header we have image, and one more thing that will be like nav, and in the nav I'm having the UL, and in the UL I'm going to have list item, that is li. And how much list item? For times we have star and 3. Pressing enter. Now you can see that we have a lot of things here. Now in header, there's automatically generated image, navigation. In the navigation, we have UL, LIs, and in the image, I've already given a class, that is class logo. So let's code for the cover section. Okay, let us assume a section giving a class as cover. Okay, and having 2 things. One is a div and one is image. Let's say div plus img. Okay, and now pressing the enter will show up the result. Yes, it's awesome, I know. Now let's come here. In this division, I'm going to have one is h1, and then one paragraph, and then one anchor, and then I'm pressing enter. You can see that here are the texts working for you. Okay, let's create a footer as well. So footer, in this footer I'm going to have a paragraph. I'm pressing enter. It's going to write the entire code for me. So whatever content you want, you can put into these elements, and this is the best way to writing HTML in the Visual Code. So always code like a pro, and let me know if you are able to make it, and let me know if you are not. So comment me in this, and tell me if you are working fine with this, and please like and subscribe the channel if you really like this video, and wait for the other videos. Thank you so much.